So there are two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So when two vectors are perpendicular, you can go for dot product or a cross product. Better to go for dot product. Why? Because in dot product, A dot B equal to AB cos theta. So in dot product, if I take the dot product of any two vectors, A dot B, we have studied that mod A, mod B, cos theta. This is what the way we have studied. Okay. Here let us assume that this is vector A and this is vector B. Let us assume this. So since they are perpendicular to each other, the angle here it is cos of 90. So cos 90 means 0. Okay. So this into 0 is nothing but 0. So like this I'll get. So with this I got A dot B is equal to 0. Now, you got it as A dot B equal to 0. Now, so let us substitute what is vector A. A along x-axis, B along y-axis, and K nothing but z-axis. So this is vector A. Okay. Now coming to this vector B. So vector B, that is 2 along x-axis, 3 along y-axis, 4 along z-axis, which is equal to 0. Look children, in dot product we have studied that I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1. Like this we have studied. Okay. So now let us multiply that. Suppose if I go for something new like I dot j or j dot k or k dot I, it is equal to 0. So let us go with the same directions, that is I and I, j and j, k and k. So ai dot 2i plus bj minus 3j plus k, we can say 1k dot 4k, like this you could write, equal to 0. So I into I is 1, so you could write it as 2a. So j into j is 1, you could write it as 3b, since minus is there, minus 3b. K into it is 1, so 1 into 4 it is 4. Okay, which is equal to 0. So 2a minus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation that we get here. So it could be written as 2a minus 3b is equal to minus 4. Let this be equation 1. Let this be equation 1. Now let us go for the second one. So as per the given question, 3a plus 2b equal to 7. As per the given question, 3a plus 2b equal to 7. This is equation number 2. Now it's up to us, we have to solve these two equations. So what I have to do, let us multiply this first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. So that at least any one variable can be made common. So on doing so, what we are getting here is that 3 times of 2a, that is 6a minus 9b is equal to minus 12. 6a plus 4b is equal to 14. Like this I am going to get. Okay. So now I am going for subtraction of these two. So this is minus, and this is minus. Both will be cancelled. Minus 9b minus 4b is minus 13b. Okay. Minus 12 minus 14 is minus 26. These both will be cancelled. So 13 2s are 26. So b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. So the thing is that now we have to calculate A. So let us substitute this B back in any equation. Okay. Suppose if I substitute in this first equation, what I am going to get here? So 2a minus 3, B is 2 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2a minus 6 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 equal to 0. So 2a minus 2 equal to 0. So 2a equal to 2. So this both will be cancelled. From this, okay, a is equal to 1. So now I got the values of a and b. A equal to 1 and b equal to 2. So what was given the question is that the ratio of a to b is x by 2. The ratio of a to b is x by 2. Okay, let me make use of this place. So ratio of a by b is equal to x by 2. This is what was given. But as per our analysis, a by b, a is 1 and b is 2. So let us compare these two. So what will happen is that a by b is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to x by 2. So with this, in place of 2 you are having 2. So therefore, in place of x there is 1. So the answer for x is nothing but 1. So this is the answer for this question. So to do this, we need a little basics of dot product and simplification of equation. So this is from vectors chapter. Okay, my dear children. Now let us move on to the next one.